Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Chris of Valleyscape Irrigation and Outdoor Lighting. So today we're in Temecula, California, and we're going to be replacing a leaking anti-siphon valve, and then we're going to be replacing some electrical caps that's typically used for home wiring versus irrigation valve wiring. And so stay tuned. So here's the valve that we're going to be replacing. As you can see, it's leaking back there. And so here's the caps, the blue ones. These are typically for home wiring, not for irrigation valves. And so we're going to replace those with gel filled caps. So if you're in need of having your valve replaced or having the proper caps installed onto your irrigation valves, give us a call, Valleyscape, 951-837-3209.